Hello dear students, this is your engineering mathematics 3 lecture. In last lecture we have discussed mean deviation, arithmetic mean and standard deviation, the topics from third unit statistics. We are going to continue the same topic here, and in that topic the next already we have discussed the results or formula of coefficient of variation in last lecture. We're going to solve the example on coefficient of variation. See the example. Goals scored by two teams A and B in a football season were as follows. Determine which team is more consistent. We have to determine which team is more consistent. Means here in this example, the data of two terms is given, team A and team B. The goal scored by two teams, that data is given, two teams of football. The data is given for these two teams. Now, to determine which team is more consistent, here we have to find out the arithmetic mean, standard deviation, and coefficient of variation for every team. Means for team A, you find out the arithmetic mean, standard deviation, and coefficient of variation. Then for team B, also you find the arithmetic mean, standard deviation, and coefficient of variation. Then after finding the coefficient of variation for both the teams, team A and team B, we will determine which team is more consistent. Okay. So first, we are going to find the arithmetic mean, standard deviation, and CV means coefficient of variation for team A. So you construct the table for team A from the given data. Number of goals. The first column is number of goals. Variable column X is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because in the given data, the number of goals scored are here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of goals scored, that column is representing the variable X 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next column, the number of matches, means frequencies for team A. We are discussing about team A. 0 goals are there in 27 matches, 1 goal in 9 matches, 2 goals in 8 matches, 3 goals in 5 matches, 4 goals in 4 matches. So 27, 9, 8, 5, 4. These are the frequencies for the goals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. So second column is of frequency, means number of matches. Third column, F into X. We require this fx term to find the arithmetic mean. Then next term x square, and the last column f into x square. So we require this f into x square term to calculate the standard deviation. Okay. So you do the addition of all the terms, means you find summation f, summation fx, summation fx square. Then you find arithmetic mean for team A. It is x suffix a. Suffix a is for team A. So xa bar is equal to summation fx upon summation f. Now summation f is 53 and summation fx is 56 and summation f is 53. So put here the values 56 upon 53 and the calculated value is 1.0566. So this is the arithmetic mean for team A. Now the standard deviation for team A. The formula for standard deviation, sigma suffix a for team A is equal to under root summation fx square upon summation f minus summation fx upon summation f whole square. Now, what is summation fx square? Its value is 150. So put summation fx square is equal to 150 upon summation f. Summation f is 53. So put here 53 minus summation fx upon summation f. This is the formula of arithmetic mean. So its value we have calculated it. It is 1.0566, and then the square of this arithmetic mean. Now simplify or calculate this value under root 150 upon 53 minus bracket 1.0566 whole square, and the calculated value is 1.31. So standard deviation for team A, sigma A is equal to 1.31. Now calculate the coefficient of variation, CV. Its formula suffix CV suffix A means coefficient of variation for team A is equal to standard deviation for team A upon arithmetic mean of team A into 100. It means sigma A upon X bar A. Sigma A standard deviation for team A, XA bar arithmetic mean for team A into 100. This is the formula of CV, coefficient of variation. Discussed in previous lecture, coefficient of variation, its formula. Put here the values. Sigma A is 1.31. Put here the value of sigma A. For XA bar, arithmetic mean for team A is 1.0566. Put here the value into 100. You simplify and calculate the value. It is equal to 123.9825. So this is the CV for team A. Now for team B, you construct the table for team B, and here the first column is number of goals. This is the variable column 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like the table of team A, here is table of team B. Second column matches, frequencies, means 0 goals are in 17 matches, 1 goal in 9 matches, 2 goals in 6 matches, 3 goals in 5 matches, 4 goals in 3 matches. So frequency distribution is given here. Then the next column is F into X. The next column is X square. And the last one is F into X square. Then you do the addition of all the terms, means summation F. You calculate summation F, means addition of all the values of frequencies, that is summation F. Summation of X, F into X, and then addition of all the terms in the third column, Fx is 48. Summation of X square, it is 126. Now you calculate the arithmetic mean for team B, and the notation is X suffix B. B for team B, XB bar equal to summation Fx upon summation F. Summation Fx, its value is 48 and summation F is 40. So you put here the values and calculate 48 upon 40. It is equal to 1.2. So the arithmetic mean for team B is 1.2. Now you calculate the standard deviation for team B, and the notation is sigma suffix B. B for team B. It is equal to under root summation Fx square upon summation F minus summation Fx upon summation F whole square. Now here put the values of all the terms. Summation Fx square is your 126. Summation F is 40. Minus summation Fx upon summation F means arithmetic mean for team B. It is 1.2. 1.2 whole square. You put here all the values and calculate it. It is equal to 1.3. So standard deviation for team B is 1.3. Then you calculate the coefficient of variation CV suffix B. Coefficient of variation for team B, it is sigma B upon XB bar. Sigma B means standard deviation for team B upon XB bar means arithmetic mean for team B into 100. You put here all the values, then you will get its value 108.97. Calculated sigma B, it is 1.3. XB bar, it is 1.2 into 100. If we calculate this term, it is equal to 108.97. 9724. Okay, so this is the coefficient of variation for team B. Here coefficient of variation for team B is 108.97 and coefficient of variation for team A, it is 123.98. So coefficient of variation for team B is less than coefficient of variation for team A, and so team B is more consistent. That is your conclusion. It means that if the CV is less, then that term or the class is consistent, more consistent as compared to the other one. If CV is more, then the conclusion will be it shows greater variability. Here in this example, coefficient of variation for team A is more, so team A shows more variability. Coefficient of variation of team B, coefficient of variation of team B is less, so it is more consistent. So this is the conclusion for the given data. So this topic coefficient of variation is over here. This session is also over here. Thank you.